Dhul-Qarnayn, a righteous king, traversed the earth, spreading justice. Along his journey, he encountered a people troubled by Gog and Magog, known as Yajuj and Majuj. These tribes were a destructive force, corrupting the land and harming its people. They were powerful and merciless, leaving behind a trail of devastation wherever they went. With divine guidance, Dhul-Qarnayn built an iron wall. It was a marvel of engineering, a barrier against their wickedness. "Bring me blocks of iron," he commanded. Molten metal poured, sealing the mountain pass. This was Allah's mercy, a respite for humanity until the appointed time. The Quran speaks of their eventual release, a sign of the end times. Until when Gog and Magog are let loose, Allah warns us. Their emergence will be unmistakable, a chaotic torrent sweeping across the earth. The signs will be clear. Smoke will engulf the sky. The barrier, weakened over time, will crumble. Their numbers, countless, will spread like a plague. The world will tremble at their approach. Imagine their savagery, their hunger for destruction. They will consume everything in their path, leaving behind only desolation. They will swarm down from every height, the Prophet Mohammed, PBUH, foretold. Their thirst will be unquenchable, their hunger insatiable. Lakes and rivers will run dry, cities will crumble, the earth, once vibrant, will groan under their weight. Section 4. The return of Isa, peace be upon him, a beacon of hope. In humanity's darkest hour, a beacon of hope will emerge. Isa, peace be upon him, Jesus, son of Mary, will descend. His arrival, a sign of Allah's mercy, will signal the end of their tyranny. He will lead the righteous, offering refuge from the chaos. With a prayer, Isa, peace be upon him, will unleash Allah's wrath upon Yajuj and Majuj. Their reign of terror will end, their power broken. Peace will return to the earth, a testament to Allah's justice. Section 5. Trust in Allah's plan. The story of Yajuj and Majuj is a reminder. It speaks of Allah's power, His control over all things. It reminds us of the day of judgment, a day when all will be held accountable. But it is also a message of hope. Even in darkness, Allah's light shines through. His plan is perfect, His wisdom absolute. We must place our trust in Him, knowing that He alone is our protector. Let us strive to be among the righteous, the inheritors of paradise. Let us meet these trials with faith and courage, knowing that Allah is with us always.